Hey, what's up guys? It's Timothy here from Drive. How are you all doing today? So as you can see, I'm not walking around. No, I'm just chilling at my own office, my own headquarters. As you can see here, all the Supras are over there. Really cool, got the Supra on. And I got another thing to mention you guys, because look at this beauty. You see that? Wait. Woo, that's way better, right? Exactly. Finally got the drive caps in. So Gino got one, Dave got one, and I got one, and it's awesome. The quality is, geez, don't even mention it. It's insanely good, but insanely good. So get one of yours. Why don't you have a cap yet? Order it, man. Go for it. Order it. So things I want to discuss in this vlog today is that Dave is heading on his way to Hoogheide for a really cool car meet. It's all American cars and everything, so we're gonna see something of that. And we already saw something of that, and you guys like, wait, I didn't see anything. No, and that's why, because you're not in the Drive Club. Come in our Discord, join the Discord, and you will see some things behind the scenes. You will see us guys when we go live, when we have some things coming up, and of course awesome giveaways and all of these benefits if you own one Drive coin or more, of course. The more is always better, they say. So that's why. And a thing I want to discuss with you guys is like, dude, how are you looking so good? You know why that is? Yeah, that's because we got a GoPro 10. Wait, what? Exactly, we got the GoPro Hero 10. We got some new awesome gear, and we're gonna shoot some awesome stuff with it. So the quality, we wanted to improve the quality, because if you do it with your phone, it's okay. If you do it with like a tripod and just standing there, it's okay. But we're all about high quality stuff. So we got ourselves a GoPro, and in the future we'll get another one, so we can do some awesome shoots, because this thing can do things, man. It's insane, like really, it's insane. So, other thing coming up is that we have a concept of stickers, but don't know when they come. I don't know how they will come, but it has to do something with 1 of June. So be prepared, because 1 of June we're gonna do some really cool things. It's gonna be a huge day for us. It's gonna be a huge day for everyone that's in our community, and I can tell you, you want to be there. So what you have to do is go down in the links below, check out the Discord link. It's really simple. It's discord.gg/drive. Come on, it's that easy. And of course, check out our merch, because you want those caps. I know for sure you want them, and your wife wants one, and of course your children want them, and your uncle and the rest of your family. If your grandma wants one, because it's so cool, dude. So get it. You can find it in the website down below. I will post everything. We're available on literally every platform there is on the socials. So you find us on Facebook, you find us on Twitter, you find us of course on the YouTube channel, like come on guys. And I hope to see you there. Check you there. Have a nice day.